Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the Storm Titan. I have not yet seen it, so let's get into the video. Okay, so here we have it. It looks odd. It doesn't really look like we saw it in the CDM, and we have some new armor, so let's go ahead and look at this. And I did make so it doesn't look a 100% like what I had made it look like. Yeah, it doesn't look 100% what I had edited it to look like. But let's go ahead and look what's in the shop. Okay, so all they did was just add this stuff. Because there were like some other things that, okay, don't remember seeing this boot. We have this wand, which I do remember seeing. Any new furniture? No. So we'll go ahead and put this stuff on and we will battle the Ice Titan. Okay, so here we go. We are going to battle the Ice Titan. We aren't going to do any team battles against it. We are going to go with our wizard. And I think this should be a heart bonus of 6. So we are using Mag Mayhem, which should give us a pretty good power bonus. Okay, 5,169 damage. So it has like a bunch of sparkles when it does its attack. This does look pretty cool. It definitely looks a lot different than the other ones. The other ones had like hair sort of on their head. This one has more of shards on it. And there's one more thing I want to see, because people were saying the Ice Titan would never come out because that would be 3 tabs on one thing or on one place. So I want to see what that looks like. Okay, so that is not it. That is not it. That was me being stupid. And we shouldn't take out the Titan right here. Okay, so we're going to need one more hit. I'm going to go ahead and put on my wizard for this last hit. And the Titan does Spherical Crush. So now the Titan's going to use Snowing Ball. And here's our wizard. Let's see what this looks like when we do the attack. Okay, so we got the question right. And the wand isn't attached to the hand. Prodigy needs to fix that. That's attached to its shoulder, not its hand. So yeah, 0 to 10 just because of that. Just because the armor, the wand isn't in the right place. So yeah, there we go. There is a battle against the Ice Titan. And yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And we will go ahead and check out what Shiver Chill looks like. Okay. So there is a Titan, and then it has Crystal Caverns right next to it. Let's see what 3 looks like. So it definitely does look odd. I don't think they had to make them any smaller. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.